It's Tipsy Tuesday, and here is your tip of the day. Listen up. If you bought a house late spring or in the summer here in Seattle or in the Pacific Northwest, this tip is really important because when you bought the house and you got that home inspection and you loved it, you said, this is a golden report. Well, with the weather changing now in the Pacific Northwest for the worse, it's taking a turn for the worse, that report can actually be fool's gold. Hey, quickly, Julian Gonzalez here with RSVP Real Estate. If there's any part of this video that you actually learned something, I greatly appreciate it. Throw in a little like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you have a great idea for a future tip for me, please put it down below and I will credit you. Okay, so when you got a house, let's say in the summer, you likely hired an inspector to see what's wrong, if there's anything wrong with the house, to make an offer. Now, when you hire the inspector, they go out and check to see what they observe at that one moment. Remember, an inspector gives his opinion of what they see. So at the time when they were looking during the dry seasons, there's no rain, they looked out and the house looks completely dry. It's nice and the climate is inside the house is perfect. Everything looks great. They might even found a water stain, an old water stain inside the attic. It could be that they fixed it, the roof was leaking, and then they fixed the roof and then the stain just dried out and just stays there. Now, guys, with rainy season, the cold season upon us, is a good time to grab a flashlight and go into your attic. Look around to see if you see any kind of like really active wet spots. Sniff around, you see if you smell any moisture, because that's very likely that now you know that there is a leak in your house. Same thing with the basement, guys. Look, I'll admit, being from South Florida, I had no idea what a basement was. We don't have basements in South Florida. But what I quickly learned is that those things flood too. No idea. A lot of them, especially the older houses, that water seeps in some little small cracks or whatever it may be. They're not sealed correctly. And a lot of times, you have the downspouts from the gutters. The downspouts don't redirect the water out several feet. It'll keep the water straight down, and that will contribute to a lot of water that goes inside. Aside from also the roof and the basement, now that the weather has changed, now we have cold season. Of course, we have the winter. So it's good to check on those windows. When an inspector goes, they'll check. Most of the time they get it right. If it's a double pane, triple pane window to see if it's lost its seal, that cold air is going in. Remember, when you looked at the house originally in the summer, late spring, the climate was good, but now it's cold. Now it's gonna seep in and you're gonna notice those cold drafts. If you have any of those problems, your roof, your basement, or your windows, I like to say, think positive. Now is actually a good time to find a deal. As I told you in other videos, during the winter, these are the slow times of the year. So a lot of those businesses like roofers and anybody that does repair, contractors, aren't looking for work because it's slow. So you can find some great deals out there, some great discounts that can help you fix those problems before they get worse. But they're not going to be worse because you already spotted them early on. I hope that helps. Have a great day, guys.